Alright, we're going to devote this video to Lazy Susan cabinet assembly for Beaded Inset. We have another video for the assembly of the Lazy Susan cabinet, but with Inset it's a little bit trickier. The actual box assembly is the exact same, so we're showing you right here an assembled box. We're ready to put the front frame on, and this is where it gets a little bit different with Inset. If you watch that overlay video, you'll see that the front frame pieces, there's two kind of C-shaped pieces, and one goes in this way, the other one goes in the opposite way. One is 3/4 of an inch less in width than the other, and the reason is one goes all the way to the corner and the other one butts up to it, so it's stopping 3/4 of an inch out, which means in an overlay application these two front frames are not the same width. With Inset they are. So what we have here is a situation where Conestoga is trying to prevent you from having a sloppy joint in the corner. If you just butt these in and you've got this beautiful delicate bead going around the front frame, where that butts into the other frame, it kind of creates a little hollow or a shadow spot. It doesn't look very good. So the reason they're giving you full width frames that both go all the way into the corner is so that you can miter them off at an angle, both legs on both frames, so when they dive into the corner they meet at a miter. So we're showing you here both the normal butt joint you'd normally use and the result you would get, and then we're showing you the actual miter joint you should get. So I'm going to go off camera and do these 4 quick cuts. It's not a big deal. If you've got a chop saw at home, it's super simple. If you don't, maybe your neighbor has one, but it doesn't come pre-mitered for you. And we do get lots of phone calls from folks who are saying, hey, I got my frames, they're wrong, I want new ones. They're not wrong, they just have to be one more step done to them. So let me go off camera, take care of that, and we'll show you what the finished result looks like. We'll be right back. So get a picture of that. Final assembly on a base Lazy Susan with Inset frames. I've taken the time to miter these off. Didn't take long at all. Again, if you don't have a chop saw, you can rent one or buy one inexpensively. But now your bead continues into the corner nice and clean, both top and bottom. I put a staple or a pin in the back, and you're going to want to put some glue in that joint to hold it. Once you've done that, the frame is just as bulletproof as the normal overlay Lazy Susan. So if you have any questions at all, your sales rep can walk you through how to do this. The phone number is 888-211-6482, and as always, thanks for watching.